number 3. Big farm.
That looks nice.
Yeah. Valley up there. That'd be a good recording. Walk around. Alright, we'll see you in spot 4. Cruising down the road. On the back roads. On this spot. Pretty.
Yes.
We'll see you in the next spot. Hi, welcome to this spot. We're going off to a new spot. And we're gonna start the cam and stop the cam and then stop the cam, play the scan or the cam. We'll cut it off and on and then we'll come back. We won't record the whole drive, what I'm trying to say. So we're off to a little drive here and we'll see you soon on the next video. Adventure. Love this corner. Alright, we'll see you in the next clip. Spot number 5, I think. I'm taking a right-hand turn up here, I think. Oh, big barn over there. Horses. Graveyard over there. It'd be hard walking around it though in the snow. Alright, we'll see you in spot 6. Hi, we made it to this spot. The water is real low. It's really low. I'm surprised. Look at the trees. That's the river or pond. Let's go. I'll take a walk over here. Oh, icy. See, this is where it's like in the middle of the woods. It's an old foundation. So you stay up here, I'm just going to walk around that. Alright? It's an old building. Pretty cool. Stay.
I will.
Right. Look at that. Old foundation. There used to be something around here. Whoa. Wow. Snow is deep. See, there's a hatchway down here. There it is. See? It goes underneath. There used to be a house here, a little house. But no more. Wow, the snow is deep. Look at my footprints. The snow's deep. Went into my shoes. Little foundation. Too bad, I wanted to record it before they tore the house down, but I was late. Oh, no trespassing. So it has stairs that go up. There's like a storage thing underneath of it. Look at that stick. Or branch. Wow, look at that tree. That's an old tree. Looks half dead, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Half dead tree. You got otters around here and beaver. It's pretty with the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch this. Kick this in. There it goes. Oh yeah, I see gold in the water. I wonder if you get panned for gold.
Here?
Yeah.
You may be it.
Yeah. We should pan for gold. And diamonds. And all that. Let's go underneath. Whoa. How deep is your love? Look at that. You know what? They took the waterfalls down. There used to be waterfalls over here. They dismantled it. No foundation over there too. They dismantled all the waterfalls.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. I didn't know that.
There used to be waterfalls right here, and they took all the, see all the rocks? They took it all apart.
Huh.
Because this used to be like a big ass pond all full of water. Now it's just like a little river going through it.
Wow.
So I have a recording of this.
This is pretty though.
Yeah. I uploaded a recording of this same spot on Patricia Tess in this spot. You can look it up and see how the difference is where the waterfall used to be. I'm amazed they took it down. There's a sign over here. Some kind of rock foundation. Look at that tree. Yeah, there's a sign. East Branch, 8 Mile Restoration, Ed Bill's Pond Dam removal. Yeah, they removed the dam. Why did they do that?
They say